Okay, hello dear friends, good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. So we have some leftover rice. So the other day we went to sushi restaurant, not went to sushi restaurant. We just ordered some lunch and some leftover rice. So if you want to make a healthy, so I want to make it into a risotto. So here is a healthy recipe and an unhealthy recipe. The healthy recipe, you boil it with water, the most healthy recipe. And and that is just a congee. And if you want to still have some dessert flavor, use milk and boil it with very, very slow fire. And it can be quite delicious if you are hungry. And if you are not hungry and want to eat something delicious, you have to put a lot of flavor in it. So let me see. I think I will put some cinnamon in it. Oh, I have. So I find risotto is kind of not so much flavor. So you want to make it, it's a kind of dessert that do not have that much character. The character comes from the ingredients or the special spice you put in. Either you put more sugar, either you put a little bit of lemon, either you put a little bit of what else? Cream, chocolate, cocoa, coffee, anything. You have to put something else to bring up the flavor. Otherwise, just by itself, it's not a very, very strong tasted a dessert. There is not very much we can do or we need to do. We will just let it cook. Still, it's not yet open up yet. And let's see in half an hour what will happen. And I will cook like this, and later on I will put sugar, cream, if I want to make it unhealthy. Otherwise, I will just put some sugar. You can put sugar, honey, cream, anything you like. Anyway, this is the basic process I am thinking. Let's see how it turns out. And my family always laugh at me because I do not follow recipe. I think it works, and then I try it. And if it does not work, it's okay. It's just a bowl of rice. If it works, it works. Okay? So let's cook it. Not the right. See you later, alligator. Okay, hello dear friends. So this is around 20 minutes later, let's say. And I can slowly add a little bit more of milk. So do not put too much milk at one time. You can slowly adjust so that you know how much you need. I think I will do a little bit more, and and I will cover it up and use the slowest fire. See, it's get out a little bit, which is not so good. And put some sugar, and that is it. And this is a healthy version. So this is only milk and rice and cinnamon, and you can put some vanilla sugar or vanilla extract, which I am going to do right now. Cinnamon, vanilla, and if you like, and some sugar, and that is it. So next time, if you have trouble to make rice, buy some rice, steam the rice, take away, and some leftover rice, cook the rice. Then you can do it so much easier. Bon appetito. I will let it cook for another 5 to 10 minutes. Oh, look at it. It looks right. See you later, alligator. Okay. Hello, dear friends. So this is 10 minutes later. I think this is good. I will put it into a bottle. I have not yet put any sugar, and still it's quite delicate, in my opinion. It's not too sweet. It does not so much like a hardcore dessert, but let's try a little bit further. And from my first try, it was quite good, and the rice has a very good shape. And comparing with boiled raw rice, this has kind of has a better shape, better texture. It's very, very refined, and with the cinnamon, it adds some very interesting flavor. I actually think it's quite doable to make it edible, and still not too heavy. I don't think I will put any cream. It is not needed. I do not think I will put any egg. It is not needed. Just by itself, it has a very I'm sorry for the background sound. It has a very delicate, more delicate, more subtle, more subtle taste, enjoyment of it. I love it actually. I did not even put sugar, and it's very enjoyable. Well, when you are already full, you do not feel nothing is tasty, right? When you are hungry and eating something like it, it's very pleasant. Take out the cinnamon, and we will discard this cinnamon, and only, maybe we do not discard the cinnamon and put it into a jar. Let me do it right now. my surprise, I like it. I actually very, very much like it. So I will bottle it, and you go here. You are the lucky bottle. Oh, this is not even 2 bottles. I am a little bit too. Not even 2 bottles. Oh, what is for me today? Okay. Wisio, this one for some time later. And this bottle we do not have to be so serious. We can try this one. Anyway, that is it. It's it's to my surprise, it's quite delicious. Look at it. At the very end, I put a stronger fire so that it a little bit burn the bottom. Anyway, let's see it. So it can last a little bit longer. Bon appetito. Oh, the camé. Ah, j'adore ça. The sticky bottom is the best part of every chef. This is the best. Oh, wow, it's so delicious. Okay, I need to send to my friend who asked me how to make it. To my surprise, this is actually even better without that much sugar and cream. This is the best part. It is very, very good. I am surprised by it. There is no, let me finish. There is no overpower from sugar. There is no overpower from cream. There is no overpower from egg. There is no overpower from anything that is not necessary. and it's very good, very good. It's just a very pleasant, sweet, pleasant. Only milk, and for me this is very good. Maybe you will have different opinion. I am very happy with it. Thank you very, very much. I love you. I really do. Do. Bye bye, friends.